build and monetize a faceless Instagram account as fast as possible. Follow along my journey to find out if AI could get 1 million real views and make our first $1,000 online, or if the hype is all just one big scam. I will start out by asking ChatGPT for the most popular keywords of 2023, but this was where I discovered the first limitation of using AI. Luckily, I realized that Bard was another AI tool that was able to give more up-to-date information. I figured it would be best to ask Bard to tell me what the most trending search terms were on the internet over the last 6 months. I quickly noticed a common theme here. AI was trending off the charts. So I went over to the AI tool called Namelix and told it to come up with some names revolving around AI content. Eventually, I landed on the name AI Content Creator, which was really perfect for the cause. So now that my AI account was set up, I was ready to start posting. Now, I really needed to focus on creating and posting content every day. So I came back to ChatGPT and asked it for 100 viral scripts for Instagram Reels under 30 seconds. After coaching it more for what I was looking for, it came up with a solid list of scripts that I was really excited about. Next, I needed to figure out a way for AI to produce the content for me. But instead of me re-explaining this process myself, I'm gonna have one of my AI creations do it for me in less than 1 minute. So pay attention.
Let me show you how to create, well, me. This will take you less than 2 minutes using 3 tools and $0. Go to Midjourney and use this prompt. A classy English butler dressed in a business suit. 8K 3D animated style. Dark grey background. Damn, look at that handsome devil. Now go to 11 Labs and create an account. Go to speech synthesis, click on one of the British voices. Type in whatever you want, like this script for example. Wait, who was that? Anyways, download the audio and go to Studio DID. Click on create video. Add my avatar image we created in step 1. Add the audio from step 2. Now you've created another handsome devil. Enjoy.
Feel free to rewind that and use it, because that's the process I've used to create all of the videos on my account. Some of them went crazy viral and got over 20 million plays. So I guess that's another strike for AI being totally legit. But now is where things get hard. Originally, I really had no idea how we were going to monetize this thing. So that was when I came back to AI and asked it for some advice. Now, here's where things get interesting. One of the strategies that it provided me was to start an AI newsletter. And since I just made a video talking about how the superhuman AI newsletter is making ridiculous amounts of money every month, I figured this would be the perfect strategy. So I found the HubSpot AI campaign assistant, which is perfect for getting this set up for free. After you click get started and set up your account, the first thing we will want to do is create a landing page so viewers can subscribe to our email newsletter. The AI will come up with suggested points for your landing page based on the information you provide. Once you click publish, it'll take you to a page where they literally have a pre-made template specifically designed for getting people to subscribe to a newsletter. Now, we just need to customize this with our own branding and copy that we want on our page. You can change the background color, the font size, and all the stuff to really make this thing feel like your brand. As for copy, I'll just say, subscribe for 1 weekly tip to create better AI content. Once we're happy, we just click save so we don't lose our work and can move on to the next step. Now that our landing page is set up, we need to start creating the actual weekly emails for our newsletter. To do this, just click create email and select regular. HubSpot has another pre-made newsletter template to keep your life as simple as possible. Let's add a cool header image by coming to Midjourney and asking for something with AI like this. I've dropped the link to the HubSpot AI campaign assistant in my description so you can get started for free. But now we need to come up with the actual tips and copy for our newsletter subscribers. Sounds kind of exhausting, right? Well, hang on. We'll go back to Bard and ask it for a newsletter style email about one powerful AI tool for content creators. Wow, honestly, this sounds like pretty good advice that I should actually start using. We'll just copy this over and plug it into our new email template. Once you're happy with how it looks, again, just click save and we're ready to rock and roll. But when I go to click send, I just realized I still don't have any email contacts. So now we need to start marketing our AI newsletter. I went back over to Instagram and put this story up. Subscribe to my newsletter to see 1 weekly AI tip. Sadly, this didn't work out very well and I only got 2 new subscribers. So this was where I needed to get creative. During my time building profitable Instagram accounts, I realized that one of the best way to get more conversions through Instagram stories is by using polls. When people engage with your story, it signals to Instagram that your story is good. So the Instagram algorithm moves it to the front of the story feed at the top of your page so more people will see it. So with that in mind, I created this story poll. Do you think AI will take over the world someday? Yeah, obviously that one got a lot of people talking. Do you use AI for your work? How often do you use AI? And then find a tip about AI for creators. After 24 hours, I got 74 new email subscribers, which was really encouraging. So I decided to keep doing different creative marketing strategies and start building out my audience. I'll be sharing more of those in future videos, so make sure you're subscribed to see more. But once I built out my newsletter to 500 people, I decided it was time to test it out and try to monetize it. Now, in the previous video I made about building a profitable newsletter, I showed you how to do affiliate marketing. But today, we're going to see if we can land a paid partnership for some extra eyeballs on their product. So I wrote the same email to all of them that says, hey there, I own the AI Content Creator newsletter and was curious if you'd be interested in promoting your product with us. We have over 500 subscribers currently and figured this might be a good opportunity to help each other. Let me know if you'd be interested. Now, in full transparency, our newsletter is still probably pretty small for most of these bigger companies, but we did manage to get a few smaller offers, one of which was a base fee up front and then a commission for every sale we pulled in for them. Not bad, right? I decided to move forward with this because it would be a good way to get our foot in the door and build a relationship with this company moving forward. You can subscribe to our newsletter to see the integration because I don't really want to share the company name here on YouTube since they didn't pay to be in front of you guys. I'm really curious what kind of partnership offers we get in the future as we continue to grow our newsletter subscribers. So make sure to let me know in the comments if you do want an update video for this. After going through this experiment, now it's time to answer the big question. Is AI legit or is it all just one big scam? I think the results speak for themselves here. While I might not have made $1 million, clearly you can make money in the space with minimal effort just by riding the AI hype wave. But what does all this mean for you? And should you start using AI for everything? I personally believe that right now we're still kind of in this centaur phase of AI. If you don't know, a centaur is basically a half horse, half human. And I think that creators who apply this kind of relationship with AI will be the biggest winners in the space. Also, as a side note, note, I'd be really interested to hear your guys' perspective about AI in the comments below. Where do you guys think this is going in the creator community? And do you think we're going to hit some sort of a point soon where AI becomes better than us creators? I'm looking forward to reading your responses below. I know a lot of you have different audiences in different niches, so maybe you could try to build out a newsletter for it just like I did. It definitely takes some time and effort, just like any business does.